Hello all traders, today I will talk about the EA board program, which is a free giveaway. Can be used right away, just apply for a recommended broker. This one can use up to 24 currency pairs, which is very convenient. We can look from here and see how everything works. Traders, you can view multiple trading signals at the same time by just looking at one screen, which saves a lot of time and is great as it allows us to get an overview of the market and the trader. It's easier to make profits. I think it's a really cool tool. Installation procedure: press everything to see the currency pair, because we have to load the data from here. Try opening a blank graph page for a while, maybe a graph that we don't use at all, because this one is better. After this, let's go to properties and set the color to a colorless color to turn off all colors. When done, we will get a black and dark screen like this. Here we can put it on, but before touching it, don't forget to set it to connect to the server as well. Just now you will have an EA board that can easily make a profit. You don't need to open multiple graphs now, because you can only see from one page here. It's definitely easier to make profits. I think this is one of the best EAs that I know. Thank you for following and listening to the end. If you want more questions, you can type them in the comment box. I will answer everyone. If anyone subscribes to this channel, I will hurry. Come to reply faster than ever. Thank you for following. Thank you.